Now that we have a general idea of what the iPhone 13 has to offer, it's time to discuss whether older iPhone users should buy this phone or not. Now disclaimer alert, this is based on my initial thoughts about the phone after the reveal and not having used it. Also, if you do end up liking this video, consider showing support by subscribing and helping me reach 500 subs. Now right off the bat, I'm going to say that if you own an iPhone XS or an older model, you should definitely consider upgrading. Now this also includes iPhone XR owners. Now I know these phones are still going strong and have probably 2 to 3 years of life left, but if you can afford an upgrade or are looking to upgrade, the iPhone 13 is a pretty tempting buy. That is of course if you think the iPhone 13 Pro is out of your budget or it's too damn expensive. Now some things that will stand out in the iPhone 13 after upgrading will be the updated boxy design, which is much better than previous curvy iPhones. The display will be an OLED panel that will feature a higher brightness, better contrast, along with a smaller notch. Now battery life in the iPhone 13 will be vastly superior to the older iPhones you are using. Those iPhones also probably have a low battery health and your charger would surely love some breathing room. And the best upgrade of all would be the cameras. It is safe to assume that the iPhone 13 camera is going to be great. Now most of all, iPhone XS and older iPhone users will love the versatility of the ultra-wide camera that can also act as a macro lens due to the aperture. And last but not least, the A15 Bionic chip in the iPhone 13 will outperform older iPhones by a wide margin. Another plus with the iPhone 13 would be the base storage at 128GB, which would be a step up from the 64GB older base iPhone variants. Now some features like MagSafe charging and accessory support will also be nice to have with the iPhone 13. But if you do want to spend the extra dough, the iPhone 13 Pro series is also going to be great. All the benefits of the iPhone 13 plus an extra 3x telephoto lens and the 120Hz display make it an even sweeter upgrade from older iPhones. Now for users that own an iPhone 11, I think upgrading to the iPhone 13 is a matter of preference. The iPhone 11 was the last iPhone to feature an LCD panel, something I don't really like, so upgrading to the iPhone 13 would be a wise decision for iPhone 11 users. Now for iPhone 11 Pro and 11 Pro Max users, it really is a difficult choice. Now these phones are only 2 years old and I'm one of those people who think upgrading iPhones should be a 3-year cycle and nothing less. Even then, if you are tempted into buying the latest iPhones, maybe consider upgrading to the 13 Pro series. That in itself makes more sense to upgrade from the 11 Pro series. The 13 Pro offers more features, and chances are if you are using an 11 Pro model, you ideally want to upgrade to a Pro model as well. And also that sweet 120Hz ProMotion display might be worth the upgrade from the 11 Pro. And finally, for the iPhone 12 users, I think they should skip this year's upgrade. Even though smaller notch, ProMotion display and better cameras could be tempting, but spending a couple of $100s just to get smoother screen is not worth it. But in the end, the decision is yours to make. If you can justify spending the money or if you feel like treating yourself, go ahead and get the iPhone you want. And for others, waiting another year could be worth the wait, that is if the iPhone 14 series does something truly amazing. Well, that's it for this video, and as always, thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe and I'll see you guys in the next one.